The AIRROBO T20 Plus Robot Vacuum boasts of a sophisticated USLAM Air 5.0 algorithm and LiDAR navigation system, ensuring accurate mapping and smart sweeping routes while avoiding obstacles and falls. With a self-emptying base station equipped with a large 3.5 liters dust bag, the vacuum provides up to 60 days of hassle-free cleaning and uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The product offers a 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping function, with adjustable suction modes and water output, providing optimal cleaning results on different types of floors. The vacuum features a removable all-rubber floating main brush with a HEPA filter, minimizing hair tangle, capturing pet hair and garbage effectively, and making it suitable for households with pets. The device provides an impressive runtime of up to 180 minutes, and with a 3,200 mAh battery, it can efficiently clean a 2,200 square feet house before automatically returning to the charging station. The vacuum cleaner is smart and convenient, controllable via a smart app, remote, or voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, and comes with features like setting cleaning schedules and creating no-go zones.